The high-flying, wheel-standing, two-wheel drive trucks division provided a good old-fashioned family feud, BSTP style, during the summer between the Timmermans and Deppies, making up the majority of vehicles in the class, a class that is trying to gain traction in Wisconsin, but did not lack any thrills throughout the summer for the fans. The back and forth battle between the two families would also come down to the Greene County Fall National to determine the champion. Between the two families, they would take first at all the events. The Deppies would strike first, taking first in the first 3 events of the season. But a perfect run in Baraboo would be the Timmermans' first of 4 wins on the season, including the most important one being at the Greene County Fall Nationals. Heading into Monroe, Tim Deppie held a slim 4-point lead over the Timmerman team of Terry, Kyle, and Kurt. Needing to finish ahead of the Timmermans, the Fast Freight was up number 1 when a sled reset was decided. Along with some mechanical problems, the Deppies would try to get back down the track, but it would not be. Terry aboard the Hot and Nasty made a picture-perfect run and would finish by the slimmest of margins, 2 points over Tim Deppie to claim their first championship. 2015 Badger State Tractor Pullers two-wheel drive points champion, driving Hot and Nasty, Terry, Kyle, and Kurt Timmerman.